Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Barry Umongos. I'm still inviting you to please like and share my Facebook page. Share it to your friends, to your siblings, your classmates. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. Okay? For more lecture and tutorial videos. Okay. Okay. Today po, ipagpapatuloy natin po yung operation ng polynomials. No? So, division of polynomials na po tayo ngayon. Okay. Actually po, when we divide polynomials, may iba-iba po tayong mga technique. Okay? So, mayroon tayong division of a monomial by a monomial, no? A polynomial by a monomial or a polynomial by a polynomial. Okay? Now, in our number one here, in number one example, this is a monomial divided by a monomial. Okay. In number one, just simply use the laws of exponent. The laws of exponents. When you divide a monomial by a monomial. Okay? So dali ra kaayo. Okay? Okay, let's proceed using the laws of exponent when we divide a monomial by a monomial. So we have here negative 20 over 5 times yan. Mas malaki pa si x to the fifth, no? So you have x to the fifth minus 3 times y. 4 minus 2, kasi malaki pa si 4 kaysa kay 2. Saka z, 3 minus 1. Okay, so you now have, what is negative 20 divide 5? Negative 4. Then, simplify x. X to the power of 2, y to the power of 2, and z to the power of 2. That's it. That's your final answer. Okay? Naklaro ba? Or, kung ayaw nyo ng laws of exponent, you could do the cancellation directly, no? Kumbaga, you're reducing a rational expression. Okay, suppose you have here negative 20. You copy that one. X to the fifth, y to the fourth, z cubed, over 5, x cubed, y squared, z. Depende yan sa inyo kung paano niyo yan sasagutin. Sa akin, pwede ko rin i-cancel. Okay, I know that negative 20 divide 5 is negative 4. Correct? So here, in terms of x, makancel natin si x cube. Kaya yan, x fifth to the x fifth, yung nasa numerator, magiging x squared na yan. So you have x squared. Ito, si y squared. Doon sa numerator, y to the fourth, makancel natin si y squared. Yung 4, magiging y squared na lang yan. Si z, makancel natin yung cube doon sa ibabaw. Maminusan mo ng 1. Maging squared na yan. So, z squared na yan. Okay, just the same. Depende yan sa pag-atake ninyo. How you would simplify an example like this. A monomial divided by a monomial. No? Kuha ninyo? Or, pwede din lang ganito. Negative 20. From the given, gagawin natin yang, i-factor natin yung x na yan. Si y, i-factor din natin. Kumbaga, bungkago na to. Z squared and z. All over 5, x cubed, y squared, and z. So, as you look at this one, makancel mo ito. Makakancel mo yan. Yung common niya, x cubed, y squared, z. So, what is left? Negative 20 divide 5 is negative 4. What is left? So, you have x squared, you have y squared, and you have z squared. So, the same pa rin. No? So it's up to you on how you would answer that one. When you divide a monomial by a monomial. Okay. Now let us continue in our example number 2. Okay. This is a binomial over a monomial. When you divide a problem like this, you will divide the numerator. You will divide this numerator by this monomial in the denominator. Okay? Okay, each term here is divided by the monomial. Kumbaga, kaning 8x squared, i-divide na to kang 4. Kaning 28, i-divide na to kang 4. So, what will happen? This becomes 8x squared over 4x squared. You copy minus 28x to the 4th all over 4x squared. Yan ang gagawin natin. I-divide natin each term by the monomial. Okay. Padayon. What is 8 divide 2? From here, you can cancel x squared already because x squared divide x squared is 1. So 8 divide 4 is 2. Okay? Simple as that. Copy the minus sign. Here, 28 divide 4. You have, what is 28 divide 4? You have 7. Then, makancel na po ninyo si x squared. X to the 4th, x squared na lang ang nabilin sa taas. So, you have 2 minus 7x squared. Okay? Simple lang siya, no? Okay. I hope you've learned something. So, I will give you another example. Okay? I will give you another example in the division of polynomials. Okay, I really hope, depende yan sa, yung example number 1 natin again, a division of a monomial by a monomial, depende yan sa inyo, no? Okay. There are a lot of ways now to simplify that. Okay. Another example. Okay, another example. Para dali na siya. Manamantano. Example 3, you have negative 48 y cubed has 30y squared minus 18y divided by 6y. Okay, in number 3, you will divide a polynomial by a monomial. Again, it's just the same in our example number 2. Okay? Meaning, each term of the polynomial is divided by the monomial 6y. So, what will happen? Klaro kayo, i-divide daw natin siya kada isa. So, you have now negative 48 y cubed over 6y plus 30y squared over 6y minus 18y over 6y. Okay? So, continue. What is negative 48 divide 6? You have negative 8. Then, look at the y. Makancel na to. Y man siya. So, dito, squared na lang siya. So, you now have 8y squared. How about 30 divide 6? That is, you copy plus. 30 divide 6 is 5. Then, look at y. makancel dyan po na to. Kana y na lang siya dyan sa ibabaw. You have y. Then, copy minus 18 divide 6. You have 3. Then, y divide y is 1. So, makancel na to. That's it. This is your answer. 8y, negative 8y squared plus 5y minus 3. Okay? Simple as that. If you see that the divisor is a monomial, you just divide each term of the polynomial by the divisor na monomial. Okay? Okay. Now, what if we will be dividing a polynomial by a polynomial? Okay? Saan galito na to? Okay. Dividing, so we have here number 4, for example. We have 3y squared minus 13y plus 4 divided by y minus 4. Okay, how will we divide that one? Okay? Saan man na to? Okay, sa atong naagian sa elementary o high school, we can solve this by this. So you have here the divisor y minus 4. Okay, you have 3y squared minus 13y plus 4. Diba, mamali atong pag-divide sa high school pa ta or elementary. Okay, so let's divide that one. How do we divide this one? First is, we need to what? We need to consider the first term in the dividend, no? Which is 3y squared. Unsa tong first button? Step 1. We divide the first term in the dividend by the first term y. Okay, what is the answer? 3y squared divide y. So you have 3y. Correct? Cancel man natin na si y. So, kana, 3y na lang mabilin. So now we will write 3y. Okay. What's next? Now you will distribute 3y to each term here. Okay, what does it mean? Si 3y daw, step 2, you will multiply 3y by the divisor. No? Nga y minus 4. Okay? So, meaning, i-multiply si 3y kang y, i-multiply mo si 3y kang negative 4. Okay? So now here, 3y times y, you have 3y squared. Okay. 3y times negative 4, you have negative 12y. Okay. So, ma-minus na siya na. Minus mo na yung operation din na. So, 3y squared minus 3y squared is 0. Correct? So, kay minus mo na siya din na, di na natin ipakita ang minus para kuan. Kuan na nato, i-consider lang nato. Pwede na Japon. Pwede na po dili. But, since minus man ni siya, ma-change yung sign. May mo na siyang plus. Okay? Di ka ni siya, may mo man po ding minus. Di na. Okay, plus man na siya. So, 3y, may mo siyang minus. 3y squared minus 3y squared, 0 na siya. So, negative 13, may mo na siyang plus. Plus 12 is negative 1y. So, you bring down plus 4. Kadubdom patana nga ma-change iyang mga signs dire. Okay, very good. So, what is our third step? Okay, here, we have negative y. I-divide na po na nato si negative y sa first term dire sa divisor, which is y. Okay? Negative y divide y is negative 1. So here, we'll multiply that by negative 1. Negative 1. Now, we will distribute negative 1 like what we did here. No, i-distribute na po nato si negative 1 din eh. Meaning, i-multiply nato si negative 1 kang y, i-multiply nato si negative 1 kang negative 4. Okay, so padayon ta. Negative 1 times y is negative y. Negative 1 times negative 4 is plus 4. Diba? Ingon ko sa inyo nga ma-change iyang sign. So, kaning negative, mahimo og plus. Kaning plus, mahimo og minus. So, negative y plus y is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, what does it means? Therefore, iyang answer is 3y squared minus 13y plus 4 over y minus 4 is equal to 3y minus 1. Okay? Chada class? Chada guys? No? Chada siya, no? Okay, I will give you another example to that. I hope na mo'y nasabtan, no? You can just review this video, no? Especially sa katong mag-take og kuan. I hope inyo siyang step by step post, then you can practice the examples so that you will determine if whether you learn the subject or not. Okay? So, guys, sa math lang, you do practice lang jud og solve. Okay, another example to that. Okay, I really hope na enjoy mo, no? Okay. Example number 5. Okay, we have here 6a squared plus 5a minus 6 all over 3a minus 2. Okay. So, find the quotient. Again, pareha siya sa atong gibuhat atong example number 4. Divisor, this is the dividend, 6a squared plus 5a minus 6. Okay, sige itong first step, 6a squared, we divide that to 3a. Okay? So, first step, 6a squared, we divide that to 3a, and that is 2a. Correct? Now, so we will write 2a here. 2a. So, step 2. 2a, i-multiply na to kang divisor nga 3a minus 2. Meaning, imo na siyang i-multiply si 2a kang 3a, si 2a kang negative 2. Okay. So, mao na siya diri. 2a times 3a, you have 6a squared. Okay? 2a times negative 2, you have negative 4a. Okay? So, okay, subtraction man, ma-change ang sign. This becomes plus, kana minus. So, 0 na siya. So, 5 plus 4, we have 9. Copy the variable a, bring down minus 6. Okay? So, step 3. Dirita magtanaw kang 9a. So, 9a, i-divide na po nato siya dito sa first term sa divisor nga 3a. So, what is your answer? 9 divide 3 is 3. So, si a, makancel naman na siya. Then, step 4, si 3, i-distribute nato sa divisor nga 3a minus 2. Meaning, i-multiply nato siya to each term. So, kabalo naman ta nga 9a divide 3a is positive 3. So, we write plus 3 here. Okay? So, positive 3 times 3a, you have 9a. Positive 3 times negative 2, you have negative 6. So, change yung sign, plus, kana ma-minus, and that is 0. So, therefore, 6a squared plus 5a minus 6 divide 3a minus 2 is equal to 2a plus 3. Okay? I hope you've learned something from the division of polynomials. You could message me. You could practice the problems here. Okay? And look for some problems. Yung praktisan. Okay? Thank you for listening and watching. Hope amping ta permanente. Okay? Thank you.